Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make gooseberry tea. This is a very healthy drink and an immunity booster. Make it a practice to drink a cup of this healthy tea in the morning for best results. This helps in weight loss and improve your digestion. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a saucepan and to this add 2 cups of water. Allow the water to come to a boil. When the water comes to a boil, add 1 gooseberry crushed. Prefer fresh gooseberry for best taste and results. Adding gooseberry to your diet is very important as it eliminates bacteria from your body and it's very good for your eyesight. Let this boil for 2 minutes. The essence of the gooseberry is nicely getting extracted. Now after 2 minutes to this add a piece of crushed ginger. Let this boil for 1 minute. Ginger helps in regulating blood sugar levels and helps in digestion. After 1 minute, go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of palm sugar candy. Palm sugar candy is a healthy ingredient, so you can very well include in your diet. You can substitute palm sugar candy with the same quantity of jaggery if you prefer to. Let this again boil for 1 minute until the palm sugar candy is completely dissolved. Now after 1 minute, the gooseberry tea is nicely boiling and the tea is very aromatic. So at this stage, off the flame. Let this rest for a few seconds for the flavors to get locked. After a few seconds, strain the gooseberry tea and serve it hot. You can drink this in an empty stomach in the morning for best results. This drink a day boosts your immunity. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. So do try this gooseberry tea recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.
Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.